Hey everyone! I know I keep saying that. I'm back, and then disappearing. For another 3 or 4 months. But I've gotten an upgraded PC, and now I can produce. And I felt like a way to more high tier bring myself back to YouTube. So, here is a base idea video for Minecraft. Sorry for wasting your time. Just a quick intermission before the video starts. Anyways, enjoy.
March Madness in the air tonight. 14 stand with dreams so high. Illinois, UConn reaching for the sky. Michigan's heart, Arizona's flare. Who will be the champion? Who will dare? Final four. It's the showdown of the year. Basketball's bouncing, hear the crowd cheer. Who will rise? Who will fall? March Madness. Answer the call. Tenacious spirit, never looking back. UConn's history, experience and play. With each strategic move, they find their way. Michigan's teamwork, a story to tell. Come from behind wins, they know so well. Final four, it's the showdown of the year. Basketball's bouncing, hear the crowd cheer. Who will rise? Who will fall? March Madness, answer the call. Arizona's flair, precision and might. Dancing on the court, they ignite the night. Spectacular plays. Racing fast, who will etch their name? Who will last? call. Tune in, feel the drama, feel the thrill. It's champions rise, sheer skill and will. March Madness, where legends are born in this final four. We crown the one.
Okay, let's go.
So hard that even when I fall asleep, my teeth grind. I could make the 6 buttons turn into a beehive. You could take an image and it wouldn't be the real life. Money coming, he's now trying not to freak out. I'm rushing to the top, but baby, I still fuck with Ukraine. I already been sick long before the flu came. Grind to go, but I've been cold. I'm Jordan in the flu game. They hate me, then they buy my shit again for hoes. I'm 2K. Work my ass off for weeks just to get that 2K. Woke up one day and had 2 songs.
Please, Speed, I need this. My mom is kind of homeless. I live with my dad. I want to help her out.